There are many reasons proffered as to why Moshe Rabbeinu was not destined to enter Eretz Yisrael after 40 years of leadership. If he would have entered, the deeper spiritual teachings inform us, then the result of history would have reached an immediate climax, Moshiach, and was premature. Moshe's soul was of such a high order. The soul of Eretz Yisrael, the land, is of such a high order that the meeting of the two would have caused a spiritual explosion. That wasn't destiny. Why? Because we are instructed to be partners in an unfolding creation. And to be true partners, we have to enter into the work, tilling the soil, metaphorically speaking, all through. In other words, if we don't energize and allow our energy to enter into the world, the result is we don't feel rewarded by the task. So, our parasha informs us, Yehoshua had to continue, we have to continue, and our task, doing the ordinary mundane and elevating it to the spiritual heights through mitzvot, is the way that we will bring Moshiach out ourselves. An appropriate message just before Yom Kippur.